Well, I've never seen seagulls that fucking big. For real. For real. No, they're really small in Australia.
This is not a fun activity. I feel like I'm cleaning up somebody else's mess.
It's kind of Sisyphean, but in a nice way.
I don't like having to wear fancy clothes to work.
Just because you can't wear crop tops anymore doesn't mean that there's a fancy dress code.
No, I saw one of the other techies wearing a polo shirt.
Well, there's a bunch. There's a whole lot of edge bits that I arranged already.
Oh, yes, edgy.
Sorry, Noel. Was that a bit gay?
No, not really.
How about that?
Is that a bit gay?
No, not really.
Oh, how about that? Is that gay?
Yes, that's a little gay.
Yeah.
Yes. 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 That is it's very, very gay.
It was fine. It would have been better if you were on time for dinner.
I had to pick up a few things first.
Why did you bring them? You could have just brought some from work. You're a baker.
Ah, come on. It's only $5. And they're heck-shirted, so.
Oh. Well, I don't like them.
My mom does.
Lovely. She's just lovely, that's all. I would like to meet her properly.
So, you ready for today?
Of course. How could I not be? The joys of my life.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Go out, get that money.
For your shoes. Mama needs a new pair of Birkenstocks.
Hello. Yes? This is Noah Rubin? What? Hey. Do you have a light?
Yeah.